And the biggest problem we've got now is, and this is, quoting Martin Makary, head of the FDA, in America, hundreds of thousands of people have claimed they've been vaccine injured. Historically, I had to do months of research into this and also make a U-turn. I mean, I must mention this. It wasn't easy for me to do that. I was in February 2021, I was on Good Morning Britain, having had 2 doses of the Pfizer vaccine, encouraging high-risk people, elderly, people from baby communities to take it. So for me to change my mind was not easy. But once I looked at it, I was like, okay, there's a problem here. And because of my history in looking at the whole issue of Big Pharma and calling for inquiries through the Daily Mail, through the Guardian, through the Eye newspaper, going to the European Parliament, way before the pandemic, the penny dropped for me. I was like, we've been here before. So what that means is that it is highly likely, well, certainly here, and this is accurate, you can look this up. When I did my research, the MHRA itself published, we have a yellow card scheme in this country. And certainly by mid-2022, by the end of 2021, there were 500,000 reports on the yellow card scheme of what, I'm not saying serious, we don't know how many were serious, but more than mild adverse effects that were reported. Now, when you break down the serious adverse events, you look in America, hundreds of thousands of people thought they've been seriously vaccine injured. The traditional, and this comes from the UK, these are scientists in the UK who have published on this. They said that essentially what is reported is usually an underestimate of serious adverse effects by 10-fold. So we are likely dealing with millions of people, that have been vaccine injured, so that's an issue, certainly in the US, and probably here.
L'ampleur des blessures causées par le vaccin contre la Covid est cachée à la vue de tous les documents officiels. Le docteur Assem Malhotra souligne, système de carte jaune MHRA du Royaume-Uni, rapport d'effets indésirables, 500 000 €. États-Unis, des centaines de milliers de blessés graves. Mais ce n'est que la partie émergée de l'iceberg. L'analyse par les pairs suggère que les effets indésirables graves sont sous-estimés d'un facteur d'au moins 10. La conclusion logique est stupéfiante, nous envisageons probablement des millions de personnes souffrant de blessures causées par la vaccination aux États-Unis et au Royaume-Uni. Ce n'est pas une théorie marginale. C'est une projection mathématique basée sur les propres données du gouvernement. Quand les agences de santé publique s'attaqueront-elles à cette ampleur des souffrances humaines ?